Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to set navigation button. You can see there is no button, okay, to click the back button or to click the menu button, okay. So if you want to set up your button, you just watch my video till the end so that you can understand, and I can show you why this slide button used to came, okay. So friends, here the first thing is that you have to click your setting, okay. When you move on your setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, okay friends. You just keep scrolling to additional setting. If you don't get your additional setting, you can search all these search options. Here you have to click on your additional setting. When you move on your additional setting, friends, here you can see your system navigation option. So friends, here you just click on your system navigation, okay. When you move on the system navigation, here you can see the 2 points. The first point is the button and the second navigation is the gesture, okay. So if you want to set your button navigation, just select the first option, button, and here the button has came on the down, okay, the back button and the menu buttons, okay. So you can select like this the button, okay. And if you want to change your button, here you can see the back button will be on the left side and the first option is the on the right side, okay. Which one you want to set up, you can set from here, the first option or the second option, okay. Which one you want, you can select it, okay. And here if you want to set the swipe button again, then you just select the second option and here the button will be removed by itself, okay. So which one you want to set, if you want to set button, then you just keep on the first option, okay. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like my video and subscribe the channel, okay. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye.